Number 5. Saka number 1. Number 3 yan.
Angeline Moya. Judge Angeline Moya and Kagawad Vicky ko po. Mr. and Miss Body Beautiful. Okay. Our Mr. Body Beautiful 2026 Mr. is no other than candidate number 6, Nash Mendoza. And our Miss Body Beautiful, yes, is no other than candidate number 2, Gladys Jonas. Picture po, Nash. Picture. Yan. Yan. Okay, our next award is Mr. and Miss Flawless. To be awarded by Okay, to be awarded by Judge Ann Rivera and Kagawad Vicky Ko. Okay, let's start with babae naman. Miss Flawless is no other than candidate number 2, Gladys Jonas. And our Mr. Flawless is no other than candidate number 1, John Java. Po. Next award is Face of the Night 2026 to be awarded by Judge Kagawad Erla Alipante and Kagawad Vicky Ko. Sino ang bet nyo? Face of the Night! Sigaw! Face of the Night ng lalaki! Face of the Night ng lalaki! May 3, may 5, 3. Face of the Night ng babae! 2, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, ito na. Simulan naman natin sa lalaki. Our Mr. Face of the Night 2026 is no other than candidate number 3, Nomer Alejo. And our Face of the Night, Miss Face of the Night 2026 is no other than candidate number 1, Serdan Borja.
Beautiful kasi lang bro, black.
John Morris and Kagawad. Parang mali. To be awarded by Judge Larry, Moya, and Kagawad Vicky. James, SK Chairman Ragus, James Ragus, and ano. Best in Catwalk. Sa babae muna ulit tayo. Sino? Pinakamagaling lumakad. Best in Catwalk is no other than Miss Candidate number 5, Alondra Aldan. And to our male, best in Catwalk is no other than Candidate number 2, Jo Marie Lina.
Talaga. Deserve niya.
Okay, let's proceed to the last minor special award. The Darling of the Crowd, to be awarded by Judge John Morris Ten and Kagawad Vicky Ko.
Number 1 or 2. Lalakad sila.
Our Darling of the Crowd 2026. Asa yung sash? Our Darling of the Crowd 2026 is no other than candidate number 6, both Nash Mendoza and Raven Rivera. Kiss! Kiss ka mo! Kamitan mo daw! Yon! Yan! So magpo-proceed na po. Tabulator, where's the score sheet? Yo!
Matangataw mo na, ayaw mo pa. Mamaya magbilang again.
Candidates, wait lang ha. Pinapipirmahan lang namin sa judges para clear.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Okay. Ito ko na yung galing. Basta tabi na lang. Our first major special award is Best in Denim Wear, to be awarded by Judge June Laksa and Kagawad Vicky Ko.